Hey guys, if you like what you see here, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, subscribe, hit that subscribe button. So I got lashes extensions and I pulled them out. I curled my brows, I curled them too small. I trimmed my hair, I cut out a lot. I don't know what is wrong with me and my hairs. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see by the title, I'll be doing a makeup tutorial today, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to clean my face, then do skin prep off camera, and I'll be right back. So I'm done with skincare, and then I just applied my primer. So now I'm going to be setting my primer with a powder. I'm going to be using this Spon powder. I'm going to move on to foundation. This is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation, and this is in deep bronze. I'm just going to shake that up, then pump the foundation. And so now I'm going to blend out my foundation using my foundation brush. And for the purpose of this video, I wouldn't be using concealer like at all. I wouldn't be using concealer at all. So I'm going to make sure to blend my foundation out very well, and then like under my eye, and then my lids as well. I'm going to be using my Benign setting powder, dust off the excess, and just set everywhere that I would normally set if I had concealer on. Powder brush, and then take my MAC Studio Fix, this MAC Studio Fix in shade NW48 with my big powder brush. I'm just going to tap and then set the rest of my face with that. Do not forget your neck. So after doing that, I'm going to contour my face a little bit. Contour powder. Just going to use this. And then let's take a little bit just for my nose, just like that, and that's it. Blending brush. And then I'm going to take this same contour powder as eyeshadow for my lid. So I'm just going to put this in my crease and my outer V. My crease and outer V. So I'm just going to take this powder and just place it on the lid with the same brush. Really, I'm just using the same brush. I'm just taking the brush, no extra product, you know. So getting rid of that, I'm just going to tap into every part of my face to make sure that everything is like well blended, no harsh lines. Now I'm going to move on to my brows. I'm just going to fill it in a bit and just to darken it up. So I'm using my David's pencil, and this is in the shade 18. Just going to fill in my brows a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of blush. Taking my BM Pro, just tap. Yep. I'm using my e.l.f. setting spray. So ooh, that is a lot. So while that is setting, I'm going to move on to the lips. Take my brown pencil, it's my Davis brown pencil, and then line my lips. This shade right here in the center of my lips. So I'm taking this small brush and putting that in the center of my lips. Yeah, that is it. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my lip balm. My lip balm is a Vaseline lip balm, and I'm going to put that all over. That's a lot, way too much. So now that my faces are completely dry, I'm going to take my powder brush once again and just dab whatever is left on it all over my face to like blend down. And I want to like blend down this blush because I feel like it's really too much, because that's like really pigmented blush. So I'm just going to tap so that it like tones it down a little bit, and then tap the rest of my face. So actually at this point you can stop or you can use lashes, but I ain't gonna be using lashes. I'm just going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara. I'm just going to use that on my lashes, fix my hair, and show you the finished look. So I got lashes extensions and I pulled them out and they ripped out my lashes. Like now I don't even have lashes anymore. Like, can you see it? Before, whenever I apply like mascara on my lashes, like they're usually very obvious, but now I have no lashes. I curled my brows, I curled them too small. I trimmed my hair, I cut out a lot. I don't know what is wrong with me and my hairs. Hey guys, so this is the end of this video. This is the end of this makeup tutorial. I already fixed my hair, as you can see. A tutorial on how I made this extension is on my channel. Do make sure to watch it. Also, a tutorial on how I slicked my hair, even though it was I don't even know what to call it, but you know, we still got here, and you know, it's still like not that bad. So a tutorial on how I slicked it out is also on my channel. Do make sure to watch it.